Three, two, one. Welcome, Derrick Brown. How are you? Live from Jamaica.
I'm good.
It's my pleasure having you.
Well.
You're doing well, doing well. It's my pleasure having you, Derrick. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Derrick Brown. He is the main driving force behind the band called Roc Riva. Say hello to everybody, Derrick.
Well, greetings for the listeners and friends and family and fans and all over the globe.
All over the globe. That's right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure having you. Yes, 7:35. Welcome to the show Inside the Zone with Lady D, Denise Gomez. It's Artiste Zone, and of course we're featuring the group Roc Riva. Want to get all the insights about Roc Riva? It consists of 3 creative musical minds with lots to say and voices that can lyrically and melodically tell you stories of all the times across all genres of music. Derrick, the name Roc Riva takes me back to Clarendon because I was raised in Penance in Clarendon. So tell me something about Roc Riva.
Well, we're talking about because my father is from Roc Riva.
Mm-hmm.
And my mother is from Kirkwood River. Between Penance and Roc River.
What? Okay.
So it's a river thing.
It's a river thing. And by the way, you need to spell Roc Riva for them.
Well, we'll flip it. ROCRIVA. Not the regular ROCKRIVER.
Mm-hmm. And why the change, by the way?
We're trying to tell mother.
Something with a difference?
Something with a difference.
Something with a difference. Something with a difference. Well, let's start talking. The group. You started the group?
Yeah, it started with two of my friends. Althea, you and she's a vocalist in her own right.
Mm-hmm.
And Amik Erlington. No, Amik Erlington passed away a couple of years ago.
Yes.
And his nephew is one of the current lead singers, is Elton.
Mm-hmm.
So that connection was made through Amik because Elton knew that we were together and just asked him. As a matter of fact, I didn't know that he could sing this well.
Mm-hmm.
A friend of mine said, why don't you ask Elton because his uncle spoke to him, but I didn't really listen to him. So I came for an audition and within the first 2 bars, I said, I want to job with you.
Okay, I like that. The first 2 bars.
First 2 bars.
Yes, first 2 bars. So you've been together for how long now?
With Elton, I was 4 or 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
But with Amik, it could be about 6 years. It could be about 6 years.
Okay.
You know, us males have a difficulty with dating. Can't tell a girlfriend birthday or anniversary, and wife and girlfriend birthday. Don't get that.
I hear that. But you know something, I know that it can be, I mean, you're, you know, especially working with men sometimes, the testosterone levels, you know, get out of whack and so on. I mean, how do you keep it flowing so that whenever you go to perform somewhere, you know, everybody can feel that it's organic. You're not doing nothing too much.
Well, we try to keep the ego out of it, but we also understand that sometimes emotions, because when you're performing, whether it's dancing or singing and a DJ or in a movie, sometimes when you get into a part and that energy hits you, it takes over. You're not even aware of what you're doing.
Right.
So we're aware of that. No, honestly.
Yes, it happens.
So, yeah, it really happens. So, somebody in the element, like it's a street movie, and they're that kind of thing. No, you don't get hopeful, jealous, or interfere. It's a movement, it's a group that keeps if somebody go there and kicking it and the crowd loving it. There's no ego here.
Yes.
As long as, let's say, we are, I don't know about other acts, but this is how I see it. People who work hard, earn money, come to a concert to play and perform.
That's right.
And when they're out there, give them their money's worth. And they feel happy, satisfied that the next time you see them on a bill, a poster, they will turn up because I know that these guys are this woman or that man. They will get their money's worth.
Yes.
So they keep turning up.
Yes.
So you at all times you have to respect patrons, fans, whoever spending the money.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the segment Artiste Zone. My name is Denise, Lady D Gomez. I welcome the viewers on Facebook Live. Want to say hello to Patricia, to Hilly, hey Hilly, to Marcia Brooks, to Simone Peart, and of course, Delia Farkas is joining me. She was just here with me, so I welcome you. Those of you on Linkage Radio 104.5, 101.7, Sign FM 88.9, and Fever FM 97.7, Touch FM Radio 90.1. You're listening to the voice of Derrick Brown. Now, Derrick, I'm going to play one of the tracks that I have here. This one is called 10 Ton of Locks.
Yes.
Oh, you sound a little excited about this one.
You want to know the story behind that one?
Yes, please.
Well, that's the easy story because alright, look at it like this. Like you have people who in the church who say that they're following the Savior, but not about it. The action is not there.
Right.
And the same thing in the Rastafarian community. So most people just lax. Marvin Heritage did something similar a couple of years. We don't have to join to the Rasta.
Right.
And we do our version, our style. It's not the hairstyle, it's the lifestyle.
I hear that.
Not every church that is a Rasta child.
That's right.
So lux doesn't represent Rasta.
Yes.
It usually back in the day, in its initial stage, it was pure and it was to the culture, it was to the movement, and them started. But after a while, then everybody jumped into the style, your style, flash locks and something for whatever purpose or reason. We don't know. We're not judging no one.
Yes,
So,
and maybe they are so, quite possibly they are so captivated by your religion and so on, but they don't really want to get too involved. So if it's even the locks to flash, but I'm sure it's all about being respectful to your religion. So let's take 10 Ton of Locks, ladies and gentlemen, the Roc Riva group out of Jamaica.
Your style, it's the lifestyle. It's not every drugs is a Rastafari. 10 ton of locks, but them and watch out them flash it. Imposter Rasta, me I beg you to stop it. But the equinox come from out of the closet and stop hide yourself in a Selassie man pocket. You ain't class program, Rasta no bucket. Rasta burn the fire for your eating habit. Rasta no sink 'cause him a no Titanic, so no wipe off your mouth false profit. Hey. It's a Rasta child, it's not the hairstyle, it's the lifestyle. It's not every drugs is a Rastafari.
Some of them locks from the dinosaur era, and them behave like them a Rasta superior. Them lost them way as a Rasta leader. Watch them a bow down to Nebuchadnezzar. Oh Giza, you living like the Tower of Pisa.
Girl, like with her locks.
And the Queen of Sheba.
All right, David, interesting lyrics going on there. Who wrote this one?
Well, I am still right now. On Roc Riva.
You're the
Alright.
you write them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Well, I tell you, I believe somebody likes it. Good evening.
Could that be a rewind?
Oh, they want to rewind, Derrick. But you know, I want to also go to another one that I have here. All right, caller. Thank you for calling.
It's a rewind.
That's a rewind, but
Pull up,
Pull up. Get pull up.
okay. Thank you for calling. Thanks for calling.
It's not the hairstyle, it's the lifestyle. It's not every dreadlocks is a Rasta child. It's not the hairstyle, it's the lifestyle. It's not every dreadlocks is a Rasta right. Then gonna locks, but them head watch out them flashy. Imposter Rasta, me I beg you to stop it. But the egg not just come from out of the closet. And stop hide yourself in a Selassie back pocket. You ain't class program, Rasta no bucket. Rasta burn the fire for you eat it habit. Rasta no sink cause him a no Titanic. So no wipe off your mouth false prophet. Hey,
All right. So you've been writing these songs. Hello.
I'm here.
Okay, I'm getting a bit of a feedback somewhere there.
Yeah, my apologies.
All right. That's fine. Now, tell me a little bit about some of the performances that you have been doing in Jamaica.
You're breaking up.
Oh, I'm here. I'm getting it on your end, I believe. It's better now.
Oh, okay.
All right. Tell us about some of the stage performances that you have been doing in Jamaica.
Well, truth be told, in venture on a stage I get.
Okay.
Yeah, venture on a stage I get. We just getting the works together,
Mm-hmm.
putting the album together and doing some. We just stuff out. I mean, when we hit the street,
Mm-hmm.
Rock will be rolling.
All right. So you're actually doing your promotion now and so on.
Yes,
All right.
promotion. Yes.
Okay. But how do you envision the group going forward?
Good question. I guess like we'll see the message that we're trying to do. Well, there's nothing new under the sun, but what's coming on the message
Mm-hmm.
is to be more aware and conscious of the times we live in. But as I said, I think under the sun, so some bad before us and other people have done before us. So this is our version
Okay.
in this time. So
Mhm.
so we can bring the peace and love,
Mm-hmm.
live conscious, live righteous,
Mhm.
not interfere with people's lives.
Mm-hmm.
But the same part, it's like you go to a stop like it's a red and stop and green and go.
Yes.
So that's encouraging the ones that want.
Mm-hmm.
And the encouragement is also pause.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are in the judgmental business. We are in the togetherness. So I am
Right.
sure that if I am doing something that
Mhm.
is not right, everyone you can have to become pardon and encourage that for either that one.
All right. I have another song queued because I want the audience to really hear your work and what you're doing. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This one is called Rock You with Rub a Dub. I love that.
Rock your rubber dub.
Yes.
Yes.
Whenever man to a man, every man to a man. I said the peace and cooperation. Hey, tra-da-da-da, tra-da-da-da, tra-da-da-da. Hey, come on. I wanna rock you with bravado. I wanna rock you with bravado. I wanna rock you with bravado. I wanna rock girl a penny. 3-step, me have to get ready for this rubber love. You see, ticka ticka taka, right up the taka, so she have it like what? Your sister she a dead stuck. Then she knock the front, and then she rock the back, and then she get knocked up for your son in a end of man.
Derrick, who is the lead on this one? Derrick, I don't know if your phone is close to a speaker. Something is happening in the background there.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
I overcast skies, maybe it's interference from the atmosphere.
Okay. Go ahead. I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me a little bit about this one.
Elton lead on that one.
Okay, very nice. I saw the actual video. And I realized you were all having a good time. It just see, real kind of backyard looking thing going on. I said, oh Lord. I said, yes. I said, oh man, they're having a good time. Nothing in an enclosed studio kind of thing. You all just irie and do your vibes and stuff like that. So I said, I really, really like that. What's behind this one? Rock You with Rubber Dub.
That one. It's just having fun. One woman and dance floor. You're not really dancing anymore. It's just like girl, whoever saw dance, whoever saw dance.
Right.
So I said, no man, get a girl and go rock out with Rubber Dub.
Okay, absolutely. When you go out, they're on opposite sides of the room. You wonder why. Where did that come about? Yes. All right, there's another one, and also I believe and I want to say thanks to Christine. Christine was really on me, trying to tie me down. Yes. Yes, I want to say thanks because, she really worked on me, man, and she kept reminding me, and I told her, I have everybody in queue. And so I told her certainly I would be happy to, have this conversation with you. Now going forward, because we don't have a lot of time, going forward, what's in the forecast for the band?
Well, as I said to you, Christine Francis, the Energizer Bunny. Keep on going and going and going. She has some things in the pipeline, some works, some things, Africa, some short. It's another forte. I just write songs, gonna show you a record, and we're.
I hear you.
She do the business then, but
yes.
And so that is her forte, her thing, but shows and things coming up.
Okay, so you have things in the pipeline, as we would say.
Well, more than the pipeline, we should have gone from last year. Everything was set for last year, but certain circumstances it never get out.
Didn't work out. Okay.
El Boss is putting the final.
I like that, Jerry. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to another song. Love Saves Lives. Let's check this one out. Derrick Brown from Roc Riva, live from Jamaica, with me here on Artiste Zone. My name is Denise Lady D. Gomez. Hello, everybody. All right, Derrick, this one seems like it has a little challenge, so I'm not getting this one to play.
You don't could mirror boy.
Let me see. I hear you. Let me see if I have that one. What is it called?
Couldn't mirror boy.
Couldn't marry boy. Well,
some of them a follow Jesus, but I couldn't marry boy, them a talk about.
I'm looking to see if I have that one, because I certainly would love to play that one. No, not that one. Well, while I'm trying to find that for you, just give them a little more insight as to who you are, and we're going to wrap up in a few minutes. And what you're about.
I am Derrick Brown from Roc Riva, Milton Hurlington, Great Singer, and Altia unit. BSc, Zabelanic Francis from Chavez, expert Kofi, him is a drummy. And a girl named Christopher, him do keyboards. And an expert named Trevor upon guitar, rhythm guitar.
Mm-hmm.
So I had a group of,
That's the group. Absolutely. And I am really looking forward to hearing more about you because I believe, you know, you do have a message to share. And we want to hear it here in New York. And
thank you, bro.
yes, we want to hear more about you because there's a certain kind of Irie vibe that you have. And a lot of people are looking for lyrics, genuinely clean lyrics that when they go out, you know, they are not having to wonder what's coming up. But they know that your production is credible, it's clean, and it's enjoyable. And that's what people are looking for. So we're hoping that you maintain that, and I'm sure you will. It has been my pleasure chatting up with you this evening, you know, live here on the show. And I'm looking forward to speaking with you again once you start going out on your stage performances and so on. I want to know. And, you know, Christine will certainly keep me in the know.
Inform and up to date.
Of course. However, I have one, before you say anything, I am looking at the song, but somehow it won't play for me.
Okay, well, if it's not supposed to be happening tonight, well, it's happening next time.
Yes, and I like your approach to that, because we have 3 minutes for me to end the show. So, ladies and gentlemen, your final comments before we wrap up.
My comment is that love saves lives. So much love each other. You can't love somebody.
Well, I think it came up. Go ahead, and then we'll close out with
That's
it.
what I put here for.
Yes. This is the one I like.
Look like them never get him up, 'cause enough of them taking the wrong road. Some say them a follow Jesus, couldn't be no boy them a talk about. Most Jesus from Mexico, they always walking with the taco. Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary? Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary?
First time I heard this one, I'm like, what? I really like it. All right, Derrick, I gotta go. But thank you so much for joining me this evening. And my regards to your group members. And Christine, thank you so much. And to everyone who tuned in this evening on Inside the Zone with Lady D. Denise Gomez, thank you for joining me. Sign FM, Touch FM Radio, Fever FM, always thank you for broadcasting the show on your platform. To all our viewers on Facebook Live and those of you who are on Linkage Radio on YouTube, you've been here with me since the start of the show. I thank you. And I'm looking forward to being back on Monday, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. to do it all over again. All the best, Derrick. Walk good.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Have a great weekend, everyone. As always, love yourselves, love your children, and remember in everything you do, it is the will of God concerning your life. Mwah. I'm out of here.
Some say them a follow Jesus, but I couldn't hear it boy them a talk about. Look like them never get him up, 'cause enough of them taking the wrong road. Some say them a follow Jesus, couldn't hear it boy them a talk about. Most Jesus from Mexico, we always walking with the taco. Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary boy? Who do Mary?
Thank you for joining. I hope you had a good time. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend.